Hello, this is just a quick and dirty video on finding the concentration of hydronium ion or hydroxide ion given an acid or a base. Okay, we'll jump right in because I think examples for these really explain it all. Find the hydronium ion concentration, that's what that H plus is, given 0.8 molar HCl. For this first one, I'm going to go ahead and write out the balanced equation. Remember, with a strong acid, you have 100% dissociation. So you create H plus and Cl minus. Now, we normally would say H3O plus, but I'm in a hurry, so I'm just going to write H plus. So you see it's a 1-to-1 ratio here. So because of that 1-to-1 ratio, the answer here is the answer. So my final answer there is just the same, 0.80 molar H plus. So let's try that again for OH minus. What if we are looking for the hydroxide concentration given 0.8 molar calcium hydroxide? Now here we've got a little problem. Calcium hydroxide has two OHs. So when you break it up, you create calcium with a +2 charge plus 2 OH minuses. Because of that, you see you have a 1-to-2 ratio, so I would simply double that, and that's your concentration of OH minus. Last but not least, now this one's a tricky one. Find the H plus concentration given a base. How did I know that was a base? Because it ended in OH. So how much acid concentration do you have for a base? Now, there's several ways to do this, but I prefer first to go ahead and find my OH concentration. I'm going to go ahead and write it out for you, but I hope you see that you would need to double this. So you would have Ba plus 2 plus 2 OH minuses. So seeing that, you're going to have 0.50 molar is your OH minus concentration. Okay? So knowing that, I'm going to use a special number called the dissociation constant for water. Remember the whole pH scale, to the 14? This number is part of how we get that pH scale. So we're going to use this number on top and divide by the OH minus concentration to find the H plus. And that number, if you type it in, is 2 times 10 to the minus 14th molar. Now let's use a common sense test. If you have looking for how much acid is in a strong base, would you expect that number to be big or little? Very little. And you see here there's 13 zeros and a 2. So I hope this helped a little bit, and we'll include another video in just a second.